Hello everyone. In this video, we are learning root mean squared error of simple linear regression. What is a root mean squared error? It is a kind of performance indicator for a regression model. It measures the average difference between the predicted values and the actual values of the model. Hence, it provides an estimation of how well the model is able to predict the target value. The root mean squared equation is given here, where y1 cap, y2 cap and so on are predicted values, y1, y2, y3 are observed values, n is the total number of observations. So it calculates the residual. Residual is nothing but the difference between the predicted value and the observed value or actual value for each data point. From this, compute the square of the residual for each data point, compute the mean of the residuals and take the square root of that mean. Before getting into this, let us understand what is error, why we square error here, why we find mean, why we find square root of the error. Error is the difference between the actual and estimated value. We need to square the error in order to avoid errors cancelling out each other. So we need to get rid of negative values. And we are finding the mean to find the overall model performance. And again we are finding the square root of the error to remove the effects of squaring the errors. Let us calculate the RMSE value using the given data. Here we have two columns x and y. X is an independent variable and y is a dependent variable. Number of samples is 5. Let us first fit a regression line for the given data. So we are getting y equal to 0.6x plus 2.2, where 0.6 is a slope and 2.2 is a y-intercept. Using the estimated regression line, we are finding the estimated value of y cap. And it is listed here. Y cap lists the range of values, calculated values. And then find the difference between the actual and the estimated values, which is indicated in y minus y cap column. And square all the errors in order to get rid of the negative values. Finally sum up. The final value is 2.4. Now we can directly apply into the RMSE equation. So y cap minus yi square is 2.4, which is divided by the number of samples 5, and taking the square root of the value, which is providing 0.69. Always, if the lower the root mean squared error, the better the model is. A perfect model would exhibit zero value for the root mean squared error. Thank you.